Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another Worldschooling Calabria video blog. So today, if this is your first video, remember to kindly like the video, to share the video, and to subscribe to our young YouTube channel. This video is to inform you that disease X is coming. I'm here in Italy. It's beautiful and it's cold though, but I'm headed over to Worldschooling Calabria, physical site where we house the program, started the program on a 4th generational Italian olive farm. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Mervin and my wife name is Caterina, and our 8-year-old daughter is Dalia Zoe. We started our own Worldschooling program based on our daughter's needs. Okay, so our program was not created because we had other ideas in mind. We still have and had at the onset initially one simple idea: to create a homeschooling solution. My dog's misbehaving. To create a homeschooling, travel schooling situation, because we are travelers, avid travelers, we travel a lot. Okay. Ciao. Saying hi to my neighbors, my friends. Yeah, so we wanted a solution, and I am a digital product creator. I began my journey on the 24th of September, digital product creation journey. 24th of December, sorry, that Christmas Eve back in 2015. I've created a lot of content around a lot of other subjects and ideas, but owing to what I see going on in the world right now and what is previewed to hit our world, I wanted to do something bigger, grander, and more meaningful and significant with the remainder of my life. And I think that it's the most honorable thing to do something for my own daughter. My wife and I both think this. So Dalia Zoe does homeschooling and is the first student of worldschooling.calabria.com. So we are leading by example in the leadership role of this project. Our aim is to show you what we do as homeschoolers, travel schoolers, how we spend our time, how we share our time with our daughter, doing different and various educational activities, recreational activities as well, extracurricular activities, the type of learning we use, teaching approaches, and the way we spend our lives, basically all the time as a family, and our daughter learning everything from us. Okay, so I told you I'm a digital product creator, content creator, full-time vlogger and blogger, and course creator. So I create courses, ebooks, audiobooks, and video courses, and software application courses. Okay, that's my specialty. My background about courses came from when I entered the military when I was 17 years and 9 months old, straight out of high school. Okay, back in 1991 on the 12th of March. Okay, that's to tell you courses has ever been my thing. I learned in my 9 years and 4 months in the regular forces about course creation. I did courses, I was taught courses, how to teach courses, how to do lesson planning, how to use lesson aids, teaching people how to field craft, how to shoot weapons, how to navigate in the field, how to survive in the jungle. I later progressed through the ranks from a lance corporal and I became a lieutenant. Okay, I have trained in Guyana For 1 year, I've trained in United States, Fort Benning, Georgia, the School of the Americas. I was a Ranger School candidate. Okay, I was a Pathfinder School student in the School of America, and I was a paratrooper certified with the 82nd Airborne. Okay, those aren't all my courses. I'm just giving you an idea. And then also, I was a jungle warfare basic instructor in my country, Belize, teaching students from Singapore, the paramilitary police force from Singapore. I've also worked with the British forces, teaching the American forces in Panama, Fort Sherman, Panama. I've also trained Mexican forces, okay, and other allied forces in the Americas, okay. I have also lived in the United Kingdom for 1 year, and I was a student of the Royal School of Military Engineering, where the top 1% of the British Officer Corps go to attend that course. So I have a broad background when it comes to teaching, instructions, discipline, when it comes to implementation, and when it comes to what I'm going to talk about here in Worldschooling Calabria, with the things that are going to happen in this world. Disease X is coming. COVID-19 pandemic came. People didn't expect it. No one expected. We were on vacation in Fuerteventura back in 2019 Christmas season, when the pandemic outbreak and began its tyranny upon the planet. We made it back here to Italy, and we went through that pandemic like everybody else, and we were successful in going through that pandemic unscathed because of the same things that we practiced long ago, okay, as a family, but we didn't know we would create Worldschooling Calabria at the time. 4 years into the future, fast forward, I'm here now, sorry, Delazoe is